G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, Wominjeka to another rip-roaring episode. Today we're just going to have a look at the humble old adjustable square. Love an adjustable square, use it all the time. It's also known as the combination square. Reason it's called a combination square is we can use it for a 45 angle, so we can just adjust it up. We can get a nice 45 cut quite easily and quickly, or we can adjust it down and we can get a nice square edge. Always check your adjustable square. Adjust it as far up as you can, so usually about 250 mil if it's a 300 mil or 1 foot. Check your square edge, then flip it over, check the square edge again. Make sure that those two lines match up. If they don't, you know it's out of square. I know that this one's out 1.5 mil over 300 mil or 1 foot, so I make allowance for that as I go. Another great part of the adjustable square is that it's got a bubble level, or what's called a spirit level in the handle. I use that all the time if I'm cutting timbers that are already in place and I want to make sure that it's a flat square cut. So that comes in really handy for that. Another thing I love to do is adjust my square to the 100 mil mark. So I'll come up 200 and I'll leave my handle at the 200 mil, and then I've got my increments running the other side perfectly. Helps me out heaps when I'm running new timbers here and there, and I don't have to adjust my square all of the time. I can just leave it on that 100 mil mark and I've got my running measurement straight away. That also just slips straight into my nail bag. It's always on me that way as well, and I don't have any worries with it. It's a very good, handy square to have. If you're going to pick one of these up, always check that this area here is square, and never try and use your hammer on one of these and tap it. As silly as that might sound, I've seen it happen a few times. Any questions about the adjustable square, combination square, let me know and I'll answer them for you best I can, whenever I can. Till then, like always everyone, stay unreal banana peel. I'll see you in the soup.